Hello, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss if classes. There are five types of if conditions in English: zero condition, first condition, second condition, third condition, and mixed condition. What are if clauses? Right? If clauses expresses a condition and it reset. They describe what happens if a certain condition is met. There are two parts in if condition. One is if clause and second is main clause. Right? For example, if it rains, I will stay home. So if it rains is the if clause and I will stay home is the main clause. If clause can come first or second, use a comma if clause comes first. Let's discuss zero condition first. The uses of zero condition is it is used in general truth, scientific facts, and things that are always true. The structure of zero condition is if clause should be in present simple and the main clause should also be in present simple. Example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If plants don't get water, they die. If you mix red and blue, you get purple, right? Either it will come under general truth, scientific facts, or things that are always true. Let's move to the next condition, that is first condition. The uses of first condition is real and possible situations in the future. The condition is likely to happen. Structure is the if clause should be in present simple and the main clause can have will plus verb or can plus verb or may plus verb. Let's discuss the examples. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If she calls me, I will tell her the news. So, in these three examples, there are possible situations, right? And it is used for real future, used for likely real future possibilities. The second conditions use is imaginary, unlikely or impossible present future situations, wishes and dreams. The structure is if plus past simple in the if clause and in the main clause would or could or would might plus first form of the verb. Example, if I were a bird, I would fly around the world. If she had $1 million, she would buy a mansion. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. So this second clause is used for wishes, dreams and unlikely sceneries. We are moving to the next condition, that is third condition. Third condition is used in imaginary part situations, things that did not happen, regret, criticism or speculation. Structure of the third condition is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Examples, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If she had left earlier, she would haven't missed the train. If they had served money, they would have bought a house. So this third condition is used for unreal past and expressing regrets. The next is the comparison of all the four conditions. The zero condition is used for general truth facts. An example is if you heat ice, it melts. And the first condition is used for real future possibility. If it rains, I will stay. The second condition is used in imaginary or unlikely present. If I were rich, I would travel. And the third condition is imaginary past or for regret. If I had tried, I would have won. And we discuss the common mistakes to be avoided. If class won't have future forms actually. If I will see her, I tell her is a wrong usage. If I see her, I will tell her. That's the right usage. Do not use will in the if class in the first condition. The second condition, use past simple, not would in if condition. For example, if I would have money, I buy a car is wrong. The correct sentence is if I had money, I would buy a car. And the use of past perfect plus would have plus past participle is in the third condition. If he studied, he would pass the exam is wrong. The correct sentence is if he had studied, he would have passed. Right? So avoid these common mistakes in conditional classes. So these are some practice sentences. Let's try one by one. The first is if water heats 100 degrees Celsius, it does. It's a zeroth condition. The answer is it freezes. Let's discuss the second one. It's a first type. It's a first condition sentence. If I find her wallet, I dash it to her. I will return it to her. Or I can return it to her, or I may return it to her. All the three are correct. Let's discuss the third sentence, that is second condition. If I dash taller, I would join the basketball team. Right? So the correct answer is were. If I were taller, I would join the basketball team. The fourth is the third condition. If you had arrived earlier, you would have met him. That's the right answer. So with this we end this video, and we will meet you in the next. Thank you all.